Blue Seal has long been recognised for the quality and performance of its fryers. The Evolution series takes this a stage further with a sleeker, more streamlined fryer range, available in 450 or 600mm single or twin pan versions. Gas units feature Blue Seal's unique Vee Ray technology, incorporating patented infrared burners for industry-leading frying output and recovery. All fryers are available with either mechanical or digital controls. Digital control models offer precise temperature control, 3 product timers, as well as time and temperature digital display. Twin pan models have independent digital controls for each pan and 6 product timers. When the job calls for high volume, constant production of fried food, Blue Seal Evolution Series high power output HPO fryers lift performance to another level again. Filter Max is the ideal companion for Blue Seal Evolution Series fryers because it enhances flavours by removing particles from the oil that would otherwise burn and taint.
For a rapid response to your catering equipment needs, call Sydney Commercial Kitchens on 1300 88 1119 and talk to our trained sales specialists. Or, for more information on this product, click the green button in the video or the link below for mobile.